Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC Coupe. This one's a color white. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black MB text interior with a natural grain black ash center console, aluminum trim, sunroof, rear spoiler, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a Mercedes logo which appears when you open the door, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC Coupe has 12,905 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC Coupe, visit us at feldmannimports.com.